In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work on your ankle dorsiflexion whilst in a seated position. So what you're going to do is firstly decide which side that you would like to start with. And I'm going to use my right side for this demonstration. I'm going to bring my left side out of the way first, and I'm going to bring my right foot in the middle of the chair. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly walk my foot back, so my heel is coming slowly further and further back into the position of my body underneath the chair. And then from here, as I'm doing this, I'm creating more and more dorsiflexion, and you'll come to the point where you won't be able to keep the heel on the floor. So if I come in a side position for you so you can also see it. So I'm bringing my foot back. I'm trying to keep my foot in contact with the floor until I'm at the stage now where that is absolutely the max that I can go to, otherwise my heel is going to start coming off. I then plant my heel into the floor, so I'm pressing down with my heel in this position, and now I'm starting to feel a stretch on this side. You would repeat the stretch for the amount of sets and also seconds that you require before doing exactly the same on the next side. So I'm assisting my foot back. That's as far as I can go without me coming further and having my heel off. And again, I'm going to repeat exactly what I've done on one side on the other side. That is how to work your ankle dorsiflexion in a seated position.